Okay, this is so cute, and this is why you watch The Noon on Fox 5. With Father's Day coming up this Sunday, there's a unique way that dads and their young daughters can bond. Blushington, NYC in Midtown, is offering classes where dads can learn how to style their daughter's hair and even help them with age-appropriate makeup. I mean, look, they're doing it anyways. Might as well get the dads involved. Joining us now is Blushington spokesperson Jacinta Perez and artist Inari Labard, as well as dad here, Bruno, and his daughter, Colette. This is the cutest thing you're going to see on TV today. First of all, Jacinta, I'm going to start with you.
Yeah.
When I heard about you guys offering these classes as dads, I said, you got to get them on The Noon. This is the sweetest thing, especially for Father's Day right around the corner. Why did you guys decide to do this?
So it was actually an interesting way for us to come up with this concept. One of our clients reached out to us, single father. He needed help with skincare and just simple makeup for his daughter.
Oh, I love that.
It sparked the idea for us to have this cute, fun class created.
I love that. That's so sweet. And Inari, you're going to be teaching some of the classes here in Midtown, correct?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so one of your students today, two of your students, Bruno and Colette, what are you going to be teaching them? And what's something you can teach for dads and make it a little bit easier and honestly less stressful for them?
So, basic skincare, just how to like freshen up the skin. So blush, a little mascara, cute little lip. Just keeping it simple.
Bruno, have you done your daughter's makeup before or hair before?
I've done a little glow up for her in the past, but not so much. We leave that to the wifey at home. She loves to do it.
So what's one thing that, Colette, that you want dad to get to maybe be better at in terms of makeup and hair?
Well, I kind of wish that you could curl my hair, because not all the time my mom's home.
Yeah.
And sometimes I need my dad to curl my hair.
I love that. Bruno, are you going to be maybe trying to pick up some of the curling tips to work on
Absolutely.
this?
I'd love to do some curls.
Okay, so
maybe
let's
some
get
braids
to it.
curls.
I love
Absolutely,
this.
Yeah.
Let's get to it. So, Inari, let's go through like maybe some of the things you can walk Bruno through with the makeup and stuff.
So we did start with some blush. We can start, you have the blush brush in your hand.
Okay.
You can take a little touch of that.
Nope. Dad, is this technique, is it like, okay, I'm painting a canvas, like, does this stress you out? Like, what's going through your mind when you're like, I'm doing it?
I just try to get into my Bob Ross zone.
I love that.
Take it easy, make it nice.
Okay, well, let's see the skills.
All right, and just take a touch onto her cheekbone.
Let me see, give me some cheekbone there.
Look at how pretty. I mean, Colette needs no makeup whatsoever, but I love that, you know, kids her age are probably already doing this stuff, right?
Exactly.
What do you think?
I'm going to go ahead and blend it out.
Oh, we got to blend.
We have to blend.
I gotta see this work up close.
Yes.
Okay.
Remember those small, tight circles.
And it's all about enhancing her already gorgeous features.
Absolutely. How much does a class like this cost?
It's $150 for 75 minutes. It's personalized and customizable to what they want to learn.
Cool. What do we think?
Good job.
Do we have to, Colette, do we need blending more? Well, what do you think?
Well, maybe a little bit more blending over here.
And then how do you, Inari, how do you have
Better?
the dads learn how to get comfortable with blending and the hair and stuff like that?
So I teach them what it's supposed to look like and how to achieve that. And usually it's pretty easy once they know what it's supposed to look like, because men usually don't know what they're using or where it's supposed to go or how it's supposed to look.
Sure.
So once you kind of explain that to them, it's pretty easy.
Okay. I like this look. What's the look we're going for today? Is it just like daddy-daughter brunch? Is that the vibe we're going for?
It feels like that. It's the right time. We're on The Noon.
Yeah. That's true. Okay, so what other makeup stuff do you add into the class besides blush?
So we can do some mascara. Let me get you a lip wand.
Okay. Mascara for the daddy-daughter brunch. Colette's looking at it. What are we rating the blush out of 10?
Probably like a...
Be nice to me.
Probably like a 7.
That's pretty good.
7. That's good.
I love this. Okay, so where can people find out more information on one of these classes to take?
So online, www.blushington.com. Our website has all the information. We also have different kind of classes. So it's customizable for everyone, not only a daddy-daughter.
Well, I appreciate you guys all being here. Colette, you look stunning for brunch today. Bruno, thank you for bringing
Thank you so much
you
for
both
having us.
in. This is amazing and very,
I feel like
very
I can do
sweet.
this now when Mom's not
So
around.
sweet. Come on, dads. I love to see this. Thank you guys for coming in. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right.